Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can unsync contact on Instagram. Okay, let's get started. Here I have opened my Instagram application, and first thing first, we have to go to our profile. And after we have our profile opened, we can go to the Instagram setting by clicking on these three lines on the top right. Then we have to scroll down until we find the device permissions right here. Click on this option. Then you have to select the contact option. And here, as you can see, that I allow my Instagram to access my contact. Then we can click on this option. Then we have to update our device setting. Just click on this update device settings. Then click on open device settings again. All right, and here you have to select permission. And if you want to unsync contact on your Instagram, you have to restrict the Instagram application from accessing your contact. Click on the contact and click on don't allow. Okay. And now the Instagram application cannot access our contact in our device. And I'm just going to go back to check it. Okay, and now the contact isn't allowed. Alright guys, and that's how we can unsync contact on Instagram. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.